In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to close apps on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So if you want to close apps, then all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen to somewhere like 1/3 upwards and then release. Okay, let's do that again. So swipe and release like that. Now when you do that, you will see all the apps running in the background. Okay, so anytime you thought you had left an app, it's running in the background. And so to close an app, to actually close that app, you swipe up. Okay, and then you can swipe up on the next app, and then you do this for all the apps running in the background that you want to close. Okay, sometimes you can even swipe two apps at the same time. So if you have two apps like this, you can swipe two or even three apps at the same time until you do this and there are no apps showing. So that means I've closed all apps on my iPhone. So that is basically how to close apps on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. This also works on older iPhones as well. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Good luck.